Hi guys, it's Nitya from Department of Mathematics. We are going to see the today we are going to see the properties in gamma and beta problems. That is already we have see the properties. I have given the name, but here I have once again I have given the problems here. So basic properties as well as the problems here. So just go through it. First, properties of gamma function. Gamma of n plus 1 equal to n into gamma of n. Gamma of n plus 1 equal to n factorial. Then integral over 0 to infinity e power minus x squared x power 2n minus 1 dx equal to gamma of n. And integral over 0 to infinity e power minus ax into x power n minus 1 dx equal to 1 by a power n into root n. Sorry, gamma n. And fifth and sixth theorem also. Sorry, fifth properties also we are having 6 properties for gamma function. They may be asking this in the 2 marks problems. Evaluate integral over 0 to 1 log 1 by x whole power n minus 1 dx. Let us take the log 1 by x as log 1 minus log x. So this can be as minus log x since log 1 is 1. That is log 1 is 0, so minus log x. Now put minus log x equal to t. So log x inverse equal to t, x inverse equal to e power t. This can be written as. So x is equal to e power minus t. So dx equal to e power minus t into dt. Now we are applying the limit x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. So t becomes as infinity and t becomes as 0. So instead of 0 to 1, we are applying 0 to 1, 0 to infinity we are applying. So if x is equal to 0, then t equal to infinity. So infinity to 0 will come. So 1 means 1 to 0. So x is equal to 1 means 1 to 0. So 0 is there. In the place of 1, we are having 0 in the limits. So apply here. So here 2 e power in terms of t we are applying. So t power n minus 1 into minus e power minus t dt. So this becomes as e power minus t minus you can take outside. Then this is e power minus t into t power n minus 1 into t. That is that can be written as gamma of n. Omit minus value, so we are getting minus gamma of n. Hence proved. So next one, integral over 0 to 1 log x whole power 4 into dx equal to 4 factorial. So here also put x, log x equal to minus t, then dx we are writing. Apply the limit, so it will become like the previous problem, infinity to 0. So minus t the whole power 4 into minus e power t. So minus take that outside, e power minus t into t power 4. So this can be written as minus, you can omit it, and e power minus t into t power, this can be t power minus 1 into dt. So this is in the format of gamma phi, that is we can split as the gamma of 4 plus 1 as per the n means n plus 1 gamma we have seen in the properties. So this is a 4, it can be written as n factorial, that is 4 factorial. This is also comes under the property. Next, properties of beta function. Beta of m comma n equal to beta of n comma m. Already we had seen this. I have given in the notes also. Beta of m comma n equal to integral over 0 to infinity x power m minus 1 divided by 1 plus x whole power m plus 1 dx. Another one is in terms of theta. 3 properties. Here I have given 2 important problems. So just copy everything and go through it. Important 5 mark questions I have given. Integral over 0 to pi by 2. In terms of theta they are giving, which is equal to half into beta comma m comma n we have to prove. By the definition of beta m comma n, we know that the formula. Now put x is equal to sine squared theta. So dx is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta d theta. Apply the limit 0 and 1. Therefore the theta value will be 0 and pi by 2. It will be changed as 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2, you can apply the value and write it over here. Then we know that by the even function, we know that 2 into 0 to pi by 2 will come. Likewise, directly we are having, no need to find the even function. Directly it is there. So 2 just take it as outside. Remaining 0 to pi by 2 sine power 2m minus 1 into cos power 2m minus 1 d theta. This is in the format of the beta of m comma n. If you are cancelling half and half, that is 2 get cancelled. So beta of m comma n value will come. So one step I have missed here, just write it over there. Okay, one more step I have missed here, and then you got the remaining answer as beta of m comma n. Or you can take it as this term. 2 should be carried over to be here. So 1 by 2 into beta of m comma n equal to the remaining term. This is a given question. Next important university question. Integral over 0 to infinity x power m minus 1 divided by 1 plus x into whole power m plus 1 dx, m plus n dx, which is equal to beta of m comma n. Let us take this is I indefinite integral and put y equal to 1 by 1 plus x. So 1 plus x whole power minus 1 will come. Then differentiate this dy. So you will get this answer dy equal to minus dx by 1 plus x whole square. and now it change it as a dx means minus 1 plus x whole squared into dy. That is, we are taking the dx to be this side and this is to be multiplied across over here, cross multiplication. Then this is minus 1 by y squared into dy. Now 1 plus x is equal to y, just take it out. So x is equal to 1 by y minus 1, so 1 by 1 minus y by y. Now apply x is equal to 0 and x equal to infinity, we will get the limits of y equal to 1 and 0. So in the place of 0 just apply 1, in the place of infinity just apply 0. So 1 to 0, and in terms of y we are applying, and then after solving this we are getting the answer as beta of m comma n. Okay, so henceforth this will be asking in the 5 mark question. So important questions I have given, just practice well. Hope you understand.